rode on our momentum from the last game. No? We're lucky that we have back-to-back games on a time where momentum was on our side. So, nakatulong yung panalo namin against Red Bull. And it's looking good for us. No? We're trying to get the best record we can before the Holy Week break. It's a long break, so we'd rather have a good record and enjoy the Holy Week break much better if we can try and win another one on the 25th, no, bago yung long break. It looked exactly the same way when we played Red Bull. No? Everybody stepped up. Everybody was in the groove. No? Everybody was in rhythm, offense and defense. And this is exactly the way we want to play the game, fast and in a torrid pace with lots of action. We don't want to settle for a slow down pace. This team also is a very talented team, and we don't lose quality in terms of the rotation that we have. Pag nag-rotate ka, nandun pa rin yung quality ng rotation mo. So that puts the pressure on the other team a lot more. No?
Are we coach?
I don't want to speak too early, but he's certainly shaping up to be an MVP candidate for this. And I don't want that to distract him or to bother him, because that might put additional pressure and he might be putting too much on himself. So huwag niyo lang isulat sa natin lang. Nakasulat na.
Off the record ba yun? Ang hirap magpindot.
Ang hirap magpindot. Okay lang. Sige. If we continue winning, ganun lang naman yun eh. If you continue winning, your top players become MVP candidates. So, may condition naman yun.
Coach, do you think you can win the championship with Sean Dingman?
I think so. Kasi, I think, ang dito, ang maganda rito, kumbaga, we're opposed to the parang to the trend, parang nakakontra kami dun sa trend. The high scoring imports are there and they're also very successful, their teams, but Sean is a basically blue collar worker who rebounds and defends and keeps his teammates involved on offense. So that's exactly the reason why the locals are playing well, and we would rather have it that way. In the end, it's still a team game. Thank you.